So according to the ingredients, this egg was supposed to be beaten before I put it in the batter, but it still worked regardless. So if you make this mistake, don't be alarmed, it'll still work the way I did it. After you're done mixing your batter together, you're going to add 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. As you can see, I didn't even measure it out. I ended up just putting as many as I wanted, and you can do that too. And then you will mix all these together. You don't have to mix it too much though. You're then gonna spray your pan with a non-stick spray. If you don't have a non-stick spray, you can always use butter. Something that you must do, that way your bread can stick to the pan. This is the part where you would preheat your oven to 350. And now I'm gonna scoop the batter in each of the parts of the pan. I had enough batter to make 5. It will look like on the 5th one, it doesn't look like I have enough batter to put in, but I ended up scooping out some from the other ones and it still ended up working well. It may look like some of them might have a little bit, but don't worry, the dough will rise and it'll all be good. After you put your batter in the pan, you can add some additional chocolate chips to top off on the bread. Definitely gives it a nice touch, and who doesn't like a lot of chocolate? You'll know your oven is done preheating when you hear a couple of beeps, and then you will put your batter in the oven and set your timer between 50 minutes to an hour. I highly recommend using one of these racks to put your tray on, that way you don't burn your counter. I absolutely love the way they look and came out, so moment of truth.